We have a tendency as female leaders to be just that little bit too adaptive, too permissive, too ready to say yes when anything is asked of us. We enable our employees at times instead of leading them, allowing their poor performance to persist. It feels good, doesn't it, to rescue people, to be helpful, to feel like we're competent and powerful to jump in and make people feel like we're there for them to solve their problems. At the end of the day, it teaches them that we are there for them and they don't really have to be there for us. We tolerate poor performance until it reaches the point where we resent employees for not pulling their weight and doing what we really need them to be doing. So what's our tip for today? Don't walk past poor performance. I have a little acronym that I like to use. It's called sacking poor performance, or stopping us and using it as a deterrent when we feel that impulse to just jump in and rescue. Sacking means see it, address it, and correct it. S-A-C. See, address, correct. And that's the challenge for you for this week, to use this tip. Stop enabling poor performance and get people working for you so that you don't fatigue yourself by working for them.